Okay, we are going to the next question under solving simultaneous equations. Okay, question 3. This question is slightly more difficult. I should guide you all the way through. Okay, 3 erasers and 4 pencils costs $4.10. So let us write this down. 3 erasers and 4 pencils cost $4.10. Okay, 3 pencils, no, it's the other way around. 3 pencils and 4 erasers cost 360. So I want to put my erasers in front so that it's easy for me to compare. So instead of putting 3p and 4e, I put 4e plus 3p. It's the same. Okay, the number of pencils and number of erasers are the same. Okay, so 3p, sorry, 3p, which is 3 pencils and 4 erasers, which is here. 4 erasers cost 360. Okay, we need to find the cost of 2 erasers and 2 pencils. This is quite interesting. We do not need to find 1 eraser or 1 pencil. Instead, we need to find 2 erasers and 2 pencils. Okay, this I should call this equation 1. I should call this equation 2. Let's take a look. 3 erasers and 4 pencils cost $4.10. 4 erasers and 3 pencils cost $3.60. So there are more erasers here but less pencils, so it's cheaper. So I need to find out 2 erasers and 2 pencils. But if you notice, if I multiply, previously we multiply one of the sets by 1 to get rid of one variable. But if you notice, if I multiply this equation 1 by 2, I get 6 and 8. And then not enough to minus this. So I need to find a common multiple. So in this sense, I need to multiply the two sets of equations. So let us find one variable to get rid of. So let's say I want to get rid of my P, my pencils, and to be left with E. So I have to make my number of pencils the same. Okay, so the common multiple of 4 and 3, the lowest common multiple of 4 and 3 is 12. Okay, so let's see. 4p, first equation. I need to multiply my first equation by 3. Okay, so I have 9e plus 12p. 410 times 3, I get 1230. I should call this equation 3. Then the second set of equation 2, I want to make my p to be 12, so it's times 4. Okay, 4 times 4, 16e plus 4 times 3, 12p gives us 360 times 4. Okay, will give us $14.40. I should call this equation 4. Okay, now the total amount in equation 4 is more than the money amount in equation 3. So to get rid of my P is actually equation 4 minus equation 3. So let's bring this equation 3 down. Minus 9e plus 12p equals to 1230. When we minus this off, what will be left? 16 minus 9 gives us 7e. 12 minus 12, 0p. 1440 minus 1230 gives us 210. So if you notice, let me draw a line. Oops. Let me draw a line for the next section. So I'm left with 7e is actually 210. So what is 1e? 210 divided by 7, it gives us 30 cents. Okay, So is 1e is 30 cents. Let me use, which equation should I use? 1e is 30 cents. Maybe I can use my equation 1 to help me to find p. So let's find 3e. 3e will be 3 times 30 cents. It gives us 90 cents. So I use equation 1. Using equation 1, 4p would be 410 minus 90 cents. It will give us 320. So 1p will be 320 divided by 4. It gives us 80 cents. Okay, so 1p is 80 cents. So to find 2e would be, the cost of 2e would be 2 times 30 cents, which is 60 cents. 2p would be 2 times 80 cents, 160. So the total cost would be 60 cents plus 160 will give us 220. So we have found our answer, 220. Okay.